In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Protonmail. Protonmail is a privacy-focused email service designed to keep your messages secure with strong encryption. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the main ways to access your account safely, how to get through two-factor authentication if it appears, and how to review active sessions afterward to make sure your account is only open where you expect it to be. Let's begin with access through a web browser, which is the quickest option on any desktop computer. Start by opening a secure, up-to-date browser on your computer. In the address bar, type account.proton.me or mail.proton.me, then press enter. Before signing in, take a moment to check for the padlock icon in the address bar. That confirms you're using a secure HTTPS connection, which is an important habit anytime you're logging into an email account. Once the page loads, find the login form. Click into the field labeled email or username and enter your account username. Then move to the password field and enter your password carefully. After that, click the sign in button to continue. If you prefer using your phone or tablet, you can access Protonmail through the official mobile app. Open your device's app store, search for Protonmail, and make sure you choose the official app published by Proton AG. Tap Get or Install, wait for the app to finish downloading, and then open it by tapping the Proton Mail icon. Inside the app, tap Sign In, enter your username and password, and then tap Sign In again to load your inbox. For people who want a dedicated computer app instead of using a browser, Proton also offers a desktop application for Windows and Mac OS. To get it, open your browser, sign into your account, and go to proton.me/mail/download. Choose the version that matches your operating system and download the installer. Open the downloaded file, complete the installation, and then launch the Proton Mail desktop app from your desktop or applications folder. When it opens, enter your login details and click Sign In. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, you'll see a prompt asking for a verification code after signing in. Open your Authenticator app or security device, find the current 6-digit code for your Proton account, and enter it into the verification field. Then click Submit or Verify to continue into your mailbox. Finally, once you're inside your account, it's a good idea to run a quick session check. Open Settings or All Settings, go to Security and Privacy or Account and Security, and find the Active Sessions section. Review the listed devices, browsers, and locations. If anything looks old, unfamiliar, or unauthorized, use the Revoke option or sign out of all other sessions to secure your account.